Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to master the new Microsoft Teams calendar, now fully powered by Outlook. If you've ever felt juggling meetings and appointments across apps was a headache, this update is going to make your life so much easier. By the end of this video, you'll be scheduling events like a pro without ever leaving Teams. Let's dive in. Unified Platform Overview. The biggest change? Teams and Outlook are now seamlessly connected. That means all your meetings, events, and appointments are in one place. No more switching back and forth between apps. Everything you schedule in Teams automatically syncs with Outlook, keeping your calendar accurate and up to date. It's perfect for staying organized, whether you're working solo or managing a large team. Accessing the Teams calendar first, let's locate your calendar. Open your Microsoft Teams app, and on the left-hand side, you'll see the calendar icon. Go ahead and click it. Instantly, you'll see a full view of your daily, weekly, and monthly schedule. Everything here is interactive, so you can jump straight into creating events or reviewing your appointments with ease, scheduling an event. Now, let's create a new event. Select Date. Click on the specific date for your meeting or event. Add Title. Give your event a clear title. This could be Team Sync Up, Project Review, or Budget Meeting. Clear titles make your schedule easier to scan at a glance. Invite participants. Start typing the names or email addresses of everyone you want to invite. Teams will auto-complete names from your contacts, which helps avoid mistakes and saves time. Make sure to include all necessary attendees. Save event. Finally, click Save. This action adds the event to your calendar, sends invitations automatically, and updates everyone's schedules instantly. That's it. Your event is live and everyone's on the same page. And that's how you use the new Microsoft Teams calendar powered by Outlook. It's faster, smarter, and keeps your team perfectly aligned. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss a productivity tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.